everybody? It's your main man DJ Ron the Mechanic here with another video. So as I showed y'all on my last video that I did my power wire upgrade on my car, so everything is done on that. So that is just leading up to what's coming up next for the ride, you know. For those that don't know yet, go check out my last video in which I did the power wire upgrade so you can see exactly what I did. And I can tell you, I noticed the improvement already on it. So with this next piece that's going to be added to the car, hey, it's going to be a nice little addition, y'all. So I don't have my keys with me. That's all right. I'll pop the trunk. Just to show y'all what I have now back here. So this is what I'm currently running right now. Running these Q Power 12s right here. You can see my excess power battery on the side right over there. Doing good with it. So yeah, this is the current setup right now with these two here. So plan on doing a little upgrade, y'all. So yes, we go swap these out. Do y'all know what I'm gonna go swap to? Well, I can give you a hint. It's another set of 12s, and it's not Q powered. Now I ain't saying there ain't nothing wrong with these here. Now I mean, hey, these little bad boys here, hey, look, they do a little damage now. I ain't gonna complain about those. But I'm about to show you the upgrade, what I'm going with. Here we go, y'all. So I decided to go with the SKARAUDIO sub box. Now you see, yeah, this box is empty. Yeah, mainly because I actually bought this box from a seller who gave me a good deal on this. Man, I bought this box for $80, man. The guy wanted to, you know, get rid of it. He wasn't using it. He said it was just taking up space. So hey, $80, boom, there it is, y'all. And all it needs is the subs. So yeah, this is what I'm going with. And I can tell you right off the bat, I checked the box out real good, you know. And SKARAUDIO did a pretty good job of building this box, you know. You see they got the little insulation on the inside up in there. And what I do like about this here, hey, they got some 12 gauge wire already connected up in here already. So now as far as the length goes, we shall see, y'all. We'll see if that's long enough. That might be long enough for the subs when I get ready to hook them up. This one here, about the same, just about. So yeah, it's about the same though. But anyway, I have a little roll of this same wire here, this same 12 gauge wire from Skar. So hey, I'm gonna be good on that. So can't wait. And as far as the woofers, I decided to go with the ones that match up pretty good in this box. And that's the, what are those, the what they call them, the SDRs, I think. Let me look on the side of this terminal here. Yep, yeah, so those are the ones that I got coming in. I'm going with the SDRs, dual 4s, that originally comes with the box, you know. So yeah, can't wait for those to come in. And plus I already have the matching amplifier to go with it. So now my thing is, hey, I've been wanting to try this out, and I done watched like 100 videos of everybody that have this box, and from I can tell you, hey, it looked like everybody was doing a little beating, you know what I'm saying? So I definitely got to try this out. So yeah, can't wait to see what it sound like, you know. I guess you can say, I'm saying, hey, what's all the hype? So I'm definitely going to check it out, y'all, when the subs come in. So yeah, this is what I'm going with right here. I'm just waiting on the subs to come in, y'all. Once the subs come in, hey, it's on and popping then. In this box here, I looked online, they say it's tuned to, what was that? I think 32 hertz, I think it's tuned to. 32 or 33 hertz, one of them. I had to recheck. But, yes. I like this black carpet finish on here. Pretty good. And like I said, it's nice and solid. And I love this port, the way it curves in. So, yeah, can't wait, y'all. Can't wait. Can't wait. Yeah, buddy, look at it. So once those subs come in, y'all, hey, I'm gonna hook it up. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Let me show y'all the amplifier. I haven't hooked it up yet. Just waiting pretty much. That's all. Waiting on the sub to come in. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. ORP 1200.1. Got it sitting in the box, just waiting, y'all. Just waiting. Can't wait to see what this bad boy do. And if y'all looking for a good, a nice, decent amplifier kit that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, hey, I suggest, man, y'all get the SKARAUDIO amplifier kits, man. Pretty cool, y'all. I can tell you, I mean, it has everything you need up in there. You know, the wire, the fuse holder, RCA jack, speaker wire, the remote turn on lid, plus it give you the little extra little nuts and bolts, whatever that you need. And then it doesn't cost that much. You know what I'm saying? That's the best thing I like, you know. So hey, I could definitely tell you, SKARAUDIO, in my opinion, gives you the best bang for the buck, man. I mean, y'all think about it. Back in the days, man, when you wanted to buy a 1200 watt amplifier, oh my God, man, you talking about you was gonna spend about over $1,000 easily. And just to think, this one here, what I have, this 1200.1, shoot, what on a site is only going for what it was on sale. Darn it, what I paid for that thing? I think it was shoot, I had to look back on the site, but I know I put like this, it was way less than $200. I can tell you that. So now you tell me what other quality amplifier that's gonna put out 1200 watts, not no estimated watts. Now this is 1200 watts true, and it's been shown on the amp dyno to put out what it says. Now you show me another amplifier that's gonna cost around by that same price range, putting out that same amount of power. Not them old inflated numbers like some of those other companies. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I call them those balloon numbers. So yeah. So yep, I'm about to head back inside, y'all. Like I said, just a waiting game right now. Just waiting on the subs to come in. Once they do, it's connection time. Yeah, buddy. So y'all hang in there. Hey, everybody, I'm back. Hey, guess what came? Ooh, you see that box right there? Yeah. We're about to do a little unboxing, y'all. Let's see what came in. Yes. Anything got a little weight to it. All right. Look what we got. My SDR-2X12D4s came in. Yes. Yes, indeed. About to unbox these bad boys. And yes, I already have the box for it already. I'll show y'all. Let me move this out the way. So here's the box right here. Yes. So pretty much I got everything separate. Had got the box first. And just had to wait for the woofers to come in. So yeah. Let's check it out. Okay, all right. I see they did a little double boxing. All right. They wanted to make sure everything was straight. I like that. I like that. That way we won't have no damages. So this is my first time ever using SKARAUDIO subs. So I done seen a lot of videos, you know, everybody that have these particular models right here, the SDR-12, you know, the one that come in the box. And from the looks of it, looked like everybody was banging pretty good. So guess what? I want to give it a try and let's see what it do. See, they got a SKARAUDIO sticker. And here's the manual right here for it. So yep, that's all pretty much plain and simple. The manual and stickers. But you know, I'll really get to the main part. Okay. Now I like the way that they boxed the woofer up. So look at this. So this how it came in right here, right? So they had it packaged pretty good, y'all. Can't complain about that. Pretty good, pretty good. Oh, look at this, nice. All right. You can take it out this box right quick. Get a closer look. Man. Put this back. What I'm doing, y'all, I'm just pretty much just putting the original box back in the other box, so that way I can keep up with it, just in case, you know. If I have to send something back, yeah, I got the packaging already right here. All right, let's take a good look at this bad boy. Man. Not bad, man. To say this not a top of the line model, sub, whatever, shoot. Hey, in person, this thing looks good, man. Yeah. All right, so here we go. So right off the bat, this bad boy has a nice surround on it. Man, now I've seen more expensive subs with bigger surrounds like this here. Man, this is pretty good here, dude. Like that. You see the little lids stencil in. Oh yeah. I like this. Already. I mean, look at that magnet. Damn, that is pretty good. Likes that. Likes that. See, you got a nice little venting right there, so he gets it moving, so he gets to keep that voice cord cool on there. So yeah. All right. Nice little bump plate on it. Heck yeah, man! I can't wait to try this out. I mean, that's a good looking sub, y'all. Nice little dust cap on it. Damn, it's pretty stiff. So yep, this is what I'm going with, and just to show y'all my current setup, I'm gonna show y'all what's in the trunk right now. go out and get these keys. So this is what I was currently running right here. So I'm running a Q Power 12's. So ain't nothing wrong with them, you know. Hey, this bad boy here helped me down, you know. Woofers are still good. They still beat pretty strong. But I want to give these here a shot here. And plus I have the box right here for them. So yes. All right, let me see if I can get this box up here right quick. Yes, indeed. Damn, I already got my woofer dirt on the side. Man, I like this. Oh, this bad boy look like it gonna do some pounding. Okay, everybody, so here is the sub box itself. Yes. Y'all see it? So this is the box that's made for those right there. Yeah. So I see already. I got to do my little wiring of the sub, so I can go ahead and mount him up in there. Turn this box to the side right quick. Let it flat. So yeah, it's a good looking box though. There's a little stuff in there. So like I was saying, pretty much, so what I gotta do, I gotta wire the sub up in here. So pretty much, I got some extra wire. Matter of fact, the same OFC 12 gauge wire, which I'm gonna have to use. Let's do both sides with it. So yeah, can't wait to get started with this one. Can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the other one. Now, where did I put my cutter? That does it. Let me close this. Yeah, buddy. Damn, I just had the cutter. Sit it down. Oh, man. Come on, huh? But anyway, let me go ahead and get this unboxed. There you go. Right up underneath the box. Alright. In good shape here now. So yeah, y'all, I'm kind of excited to try this new setup out. I've been rolling with them Q powers for so long, you know, so I'm like, hey, what the heck, man? Look, I've been using the Skar amplifiers, so shoot, let's go ahead and do it. I'm like, oh crap, I opened up the bottom part of the box. Okay, my bad. Open up the bottom section. Top part. Alright, more stickers and a manual. Yeah. Get this out of here. Alright, so I got both subs out. Yes. My new Skars. So yeah, man, I am excited. I am ready to hook these bad boys up. And let's see what's shaking with them. And as far as the wiring go, I have the extra wire up in this amplifier kit right here. So yes, I am pretty good, y'all, pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this party started. So it's not that much up in there, but we got that covered. So yeah, let me go ahead and break this wire out, and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
All right, everybody, finally finished. Got the sub wired up, put together in the box. Here we go, y'all. Looks pretty good. Yes, indeed. Now, the only thing that I didn't like was the wire that's on the inside of the box. As you trying to wire up your woofers, now that wire is a little short. So I mean, you have a little option to where you can add on a little extra piece of wire, you know, where you can have enough length so when you have the woofer out, you can kind of like do your little service, whatever, or something. But that wire in there is just a little bit short, so that's something, you know, you can pretty much work around with. But as far as the subs itself, I mean, they drop straight on in there, no problem. And I like the fact that they didn't use those wood screws. They used like the machine-like screws, which gives a better fit on there, you know. So yeah, it is looking good. So, and another change that I gotta do. So on this box here, it comes with one terminal. So I kind of like that. So that way everything is all together. So with this box that I currently have right now, I have two separate terminals on it. So I got two different wires. So I'm gonna pretty much have to rewire the speaker wire coming from the amp. So pretty much I'm going to just use that. Just have just this one line coming from the amplifier itself. So that'll make it a whole lot easier. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out right here, and just gotta get a little time to do the amplifier swap out. As you know, for those that don't know, right now I have the SKARAUDIO 800 RP.1 up in here right now. So I could probably tell you I will probably just leave this in here for now, because I gotta do some extra little modifications, because the 1200 is like about an inch, almost inch and a half longer. So which I'm gonna have to kind of like make some adjustments on the board to move everything over a little bit, pretty much. So I'm gonna have to measure that, and then hey, then it'll be a straight drop in, you know. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and run with that. I'm gonna come back with the 1200. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out right quick. Yeah, excited, y'all. All right, let's get this bad boy out of here. Like my buddy Jason said, bass head problems. All right. So I can take this bad boy out. Come on out here, D. Man. Now, figure out. Let's see. Should I go ahead and run that wire? Now. Might as well. Let me see. Yep. Might as well go ahead and do that. Let's see. Yep. change that up. Take that out completely. And do this. So yep, I'm gonna have to go ahead and change that out. No doubt about it. And the reason why is because I'm gonna end up putting a newer amp in there anyway, so I'm gonna have to make the change regardless, you know. So hey, no time to waste, and let's get to it. Yep, let's get to it, y'all. Shoot. Yeah, everybody. The day in the life of a do-it-yourself installer. The stuff that you go through. But hey, one thing you can always say though, hey, if something go wrong, you know what it is. You can't blame nobody but yourself. Where is that? So y'all see, this is what I was using on the other box. See all that? So now, don't have to worry about that now. I can go ahead and go with this right here. That 12 gauge. Y'all see that? Hey, for all my installers out there, hey, make sure y'all get a pair of these right here. Fastest wire splitters right here. Yes, telling y'all. Get y'all a pair. Look, forget that old way where you had to take your knife and cut all that splitting. No, sir. Look, let's get your wire. Put it in that right there. However your length is. Boom, look at that. See how quick the easy that was? Look at it, just that simple. We can do the other one right quick. I like to cut mine just a little bit longer. Look at that, see that? Boom, done with it. See that? Wire is split. Get y'all some of these. Go to Harbor Freight. Telling y'all, Harbor Freight is the truth, man. Change that. Alright. Got that taken care of. Which one was it? Take this round. Right quick. Alright, got my wire wired up. So y'all get to see my installation. Y'all get to see what I go through. get another little piece right quick. That should do it. Another little clamp. The smaller one. That should get it. There we go. That one. All right. So, since the cup is on that side, so evidently when they go in the box, it's going to be over on this side over here. So, I'm going to cut just enough to where I can connect it. So that should be pretty good. About right there. I'm going to cut it about right there. That should be good enough. Yep, that should be good enough for me to do. Okay, I'll do the cutter. That woofer, that box is going right there, so that should be enough right there. All right, to put all my extra wire up. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all, ready to go ahead and bring the box over. Let's see what we can see. Actually, wait a minute. I come the other way with it. I come through like this and drop it on. There we go. All right. All right, y'all get to see it now. All right, how's this? Just enough wire too. Just for it. Boom. Okay. So this one sits like that. All right, y'all. Got it in there. All right. Ooh, I don't like the fact I dirty up the rubber on the woofer already. That's all right. I'll wipe it down. So yeah, it fits in there pretty good. Let me check this back in. Yep. We in there. So now y'all know what we gotta do now. We gotta do a little sound check right quick. Okay, y'all. Got the sub playing. I mean, you know, they are brand new, so I'm not hitting them hard or anything right now, so sounds pretty good though at that low volume. Let me crank it up a little bit more for y'all. Move, mosquito. Sound pretty good, y'all. And that's on that 800.1. Not bad at all. So if they sounding a little bit like that, a lower volume on the 800, bro. Wait till I hit that 12 on them things, man. Woo! It ain't gonna be nothing nice. Hey y'all, I like the way this sounds. So I'm gonna wait a little bit though. I'm gonna wait a little bit for the really give y'all my good full review on these bad boys, cause just by listening to them on that 800.1, they don't sound bad at all. I mean, they don't. So I'm already just wondering, man, what they gonna sound like when I put that 1200 on them. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll find that out though.
You said you going with us, sir?
Yeah. So all right, y'all. So I'm gonna check back with y'all.